Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is just going to be a really quick one. I was actually just about to film another video. So I actually fake tanned, unless you can't tell, the other day, and I mean I do fake tan my face, but it comes off so quickly because I use like acid exfoliators and things like that. My face does not match the rest of my body, as you can probably tell. So I thought that I would show you how I darken up my foundation, any type of foundation. Whatever foundation you have and you like to use, no matter what the shade. I mean, obviously this won't work for making it lighter, but this will work for making it darker. So if you have lighter foundations and you need to darken them up when you fake tan, but you don't want to go and buy another foundation shade. So I, as you know, use Utan stuff, and I actually got the set that contained this. Obviously you can use anything like this. So this is the Jamie Genevieve collaboration with Utan, and it's the Skin Idol Face and Body Bronzer, and it's just an instant bronzer. Lots of companies do these. It's just, it's like makeup but fake tan. So anything like this kind of stuff, you'll get them from lots of different brands, and just whatever foundation you want to use. So I think we'll use, really liking it with this. I'm loving this stuff. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. So I got this really pale. I mean, you can see it's not going to match me, but I love it. I really do like it. So I can use this all through the spectrum of shades that I may be. And then obviously this stuff. So what I tend to do is I will just grab a couple of pumps on the back of my hand. You can do this on a palette or whatever, and then I'll squidge in a little bit. This stuff looks really weird because it's so thick. Just like that. And then I'll grab like the back end of a brush just to kind of mix it. If you tan very well in the summertime and you go very pale in the winter time, that's another good way. I mean, we don't generally have that problem in Scotland because we don't get the best weather, but right now it's beautiful. But you know what I mean, like a lot of people who live in a hotter climate will tan very well in the summertime, and then in the winter time you'll sort of, your skin will lighten up a little bit. Okay, so I have my mix. I'm just gonna roll it on. I've totally changed my setup, so you are actually closer to me. I have a mirror here and a mirror there, so if I'm ever looking down here or over there, that's what I'm doing, I'm looking at the mirror. So like I say, this is going to be a nice quick video. So I'm just going to blend that in. It does change the texture of the foundation. It does make it that little bit thicker, but it gives it more coverage as well, so you don't need as much. You just have to sort of get used to it. I mean, I've got lots in the back of my hand just now, but you just have to get used to how much you need. You'll get used to the ratio as well. If you want to sheer it out a little bit, you know, like if it gets out of control too thick, just add a little bit of moisturiser. The whole reason I got the idea to do this, it's not a new thing by any means. I'm not saying I invented this. It's definitely not a new thing. But a lot of people were saying that the Utan Skin Idol is really good if you mix it in with a moisturiser. It gives you a really nice sort of tinted moisturiser. I've got ones that I like to use for tinted moisturiser, so that wasn't really something I was interested in. But then when I realised that none of my, I have time to fake tan now, so none of my foundations were matching me, I figured, let's see if this will change the shade a little bit for me. Okay, so that is pretty much it. I mean, it's not rocket science, there's not an awful lot to it. As you can see, my face now matches my neck. And I mean, it's never going to be a perfect match, but it is a lot better than trying to put on the lighter shade and then bronze it up. And if you are naturally tanned as well, a lot of us, I mean, if you tan your face fair enough, sometimes I don't bother putting anything on my face, but if you don't want to tan your face because obviously aging and stuff like that, and it's really not good for your skin, and most of the products that we buy now have SPF in them, so if you don't tan your face is always going to be light and your body may be darker. So like you're going to have this line and it's going to look, it's like the reverse tide line from when we used to do our foundation and not drag it down our neck, but that is the result there. So, and I don't know if you can see it, but it just gives the most stunning glow to a foundation as well. It's not dewy, it's just got that glow because of the because of the nature of a product like this, it's meant to be glowy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I say, quick video. I just wanted to show you this thing, and if you try it out, let me know how you got on with it. And yeah, I think that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, you found it somewhat helpful, I would love if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope everybody is keeping safe and entertained during this crazy time. I hope we can all go back to normal soon. If you want to see some beauty related, I know that sounds really weird to say, but if you want to see some beauty related content on this channel, let me know in the comment section below, because like all of my stuff is home with me, like apart from my wax and stuff, which I might take home, I don't know yet. I mean, if you're interested to see how to wax and stuff like that at home, then I'll definitely take it home, because I have to go in once a week to check on my salon as per my insurance test, but never mind. But yeah, if you want to see like nail stuff, if you want to see like beauty routine stuff like waxing and stuff like that, let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely do that for you. But apart from that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!